Today we're going to be replacing the side view mirror on a 2008 Ford Escape from Amazon. It came very well wrapped in a bubble mailer, a cardboard box, and an inner bubble mailer. And it looks exactly like the original mirror, the way it's built, the terminal connections, the size, shape. It's identical to the factory equipment mirror at a fraction of the cost. And this is a very easy repair job to put this in. You're going to be surprised how easy it is. You can do it yourself and save some money. Look at the back. You can see the bottom has little hooks on it. And the top has push clips. So you're going to, when you put it in, you're going to put the bottom in first, place those little hooks into the receptacles in the bottom of the mirror frame, and then tilt the top of it inward until the top clips press into place. And of course, that's after you've connected the two wires to the heating element. This is super easy. I know you can do it. Here's the one I purchased. I'll put a link to it in the description. It was $16 for one, or if you need both of them, it's $27 for a pair, and it arrived in 3 days. First, I thought I'd try taking it off with a suction cup instead of having to pry on it, but the suction cup just didn't work. So instead, I reached in behind it with my fingers on both corners and as much as I could filled all that space up so the mirror wouldn't crack, and then I pulled down directly toward me and it popped right out. Once it's out, you can wiggle it a little bit left and right and lift the glass right up out of the holder like so. There we go. And once you pop it out, we're going to take and gently grab each of the two wire connectors on the back and wiggle them until they pop off. Now here's a close-up of the back side. You can see the upper clips right there, an old wasp or bee nest of some sort there, which kind of funny. And down on the bottom, you can see the hook clips that are going to go in first and hold the mirror in place from the bottom. And then our two wire connectors on the right side, as you're looking from the front of the mirror. And you see how corroded one of them is there. So let's go ahead and put the new one in and see how that goes. Okay, we've lined it up. The wires are secure. The bottom two clips have been set into place in the power framework. And now we're just going to gently push the top of the mirror inward until it is flush with the frame, and then it'll clip right into the space. You may want to stick a screwdriver behind the back plate to hold it steady while you're snapping it into place. That makes it a little easier, but it's not really even necessary. Look at that. Done, installed, and fully functional. You can do this job yourself in probably 10 or 15 minutes. Maybe a little longer if you're nervous or hesitant your first time doing it. But you'll save a bunch of money. Thanks for watching. Do it yourself and save.